Encrypt means, as I told you, changing the original understandable file using a key to something else which is not understandable. So if you want your file back, what you have to do is you should have that particular key. Without this key, you will not get your own original file. So the person who has sent the ransomware virus to your computer, he will encrypt all the files without your knowledge. Okay, then once you give him the money, whatever he has asked, in the form of Bitcoin is not the money whatever we use right now. It is just online. It is some kind of online transactions money. That is not from any of the banks or something. You people can't use Bitcoins. Okay, once you give enough Bitcoins to that person, then only he will give you the key which you can use it for decrypt your files and get back to your original files. Okay, that happens. This is what happens when the ransomware virus enters into your computer. Next, how it spreads, as I told you, it can be in the form of computer via when you are on the network, and through when you visit a website that is already infected. Okay, then how to prevent from ransomware attack. So there are 2 points. These are very important points you need to know. Make sure the software on your PC is updated. Whatever softwares you are using to your computer, it can be antivirus software or it can be any of the softwares, it should be updated properly. Every software will give you its own updates once in a month, once in a week, depends on different softwares, it will give you the updations. So every software, including your operating system, it can be Windows 7, Windows 10, whatever you have installed, you need to update it always. Keep updated all the softwares which you have installed. Then only, why we have to update is, when we update only, the softwares will be eligible to uh, fight with these kind of viruses. Okay, depending on the different viruses on the internet available, every softwares company will be updating their own softwares. Updating means they will make their softwares able to fight with these viruses. That we need to update our softwares always whenever the company gives us the updation notification. Okay, next is ensure that your antivirus software is up to date and can scan for and wipe out any every better every day. If you scan your entire computer using the proper authorized antivirus, pay some money and purchase an antivirus for your computer and install it, and up to date update it and keep scanning your computer. Okay, so these are the two things we need to take care of uh, to prevent from ransomware attacks. So there are many videos or stories related to ransomware viruses. If you are interested, go through it. And yeah, till today I would like to stop here. In the next class, I will talk about antivirus program and what are the features and how the antivirus works and some of popular antivirus and precautions. Okay, these all things we'll see it in next class. So today again I'm telling you, think of the previous assignment given, go through any of the viruses, read its function properly, select any of the virus from this and read its function, how it comes to our computer, and that story you have to show in the form of diagram drawing. I don't want any drawings that you download from internet and draw it and show me. Okay, I want something, some one particular virus, any of these virus, any one particular virus, see its function, how it enters to our computer, and draw that story in the form of drawing. This is what the assignment is. And again, I want you people to go through this textbook properly, read all these things again, listen to all the videos properly, and ask for the doubts. Okay, thank you.